Yes guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm at Dub Customs and I'm going to be fitting my rear spoiler from MAXTON Design. Let's do it.
I've got some special memories. They're all including you and me. You make me forget that I'm shy. When I'm with you, I'm pretty wild.
So, inside the box. Let's see, this is also the V2, the version 2. There's two versions, version 1 and version 2. I believe version 2 is slightly more rounded at the end, which means it protrudes more, which makes it look, in my opinion, a bit more aggressive. But yeah, it's nicely packaged. And then don't worry about it, inside the plastic, the spoiler itself is in plastic on the showing side. So this is the side that's obviously got the 3M tape, and on this side you're gonna have to peel these stickers off, obviously. This side is protected in some form of film. But yeah, this is V2. As you can see, very light, like literally paper light. We'll get this all polished and sorted out. But yeah, got D over here trying to make me laugh. Not going to work, not going to work. But yeah, first things first, let's see how it looks on the car.
Wait, right. Can I take, wait,
no,
stop. Let
no.
me just have my dub top on.
Cheese, go on then, go on, get the dub top on. E, look at D, go on D. Hey, what? Come on. Alright, so as you can see, this is how it looks, this is how it protrudes. We've got the little sis D in the house at Dub, so she's going to show us how it looks. So overall, it's nothing like that's going to be like, whoa, yeah, like compared to the Mercedes, the A45 wings, but it definitely protrudes just enough for you to notice a difference. So I don't know what angle's best, but we'll get some shots after. But yeah, can you let go? Do you think it's going to stay? Don't go too far, don't go anywhere.
Don't go anywhere, don't go anywhere.
But yeah, that's how it looks. That is V2. From the top, you can get a shot from the bottom bit here. So yeah, overall, I think this is gonna look absolutely amazing. So yeah, let's get into the preparation. Preparation is more important than actual fitting. So yeah, make sure it's clean. Let's get to work.
I've got some special memories. They're all including
Model
you and me. You make me forget that I'm shy. When I'm with you, I'm pretty wild.
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start at the top first. We're gonna take off all of this, so that way I'm not peeling it off when it's on the car, because obviously that's gonna lift it off. So yeah, we're gonna take all of this off, and you can see it's revealing. Don't worry, we're gonna clean that after. Yes, it's just dust, just a bit of dust. Just a bit of dust. So yeah, peeling this off, it's a lovely feeling doing this. Look at that. No, yeah, MAXTON, if you're watching this and you want to sponsor me, get in touch. Yeah, tried before, but you lot weren't keen. But yeah, now you're seeing I'm actually the businessman, maybe now. But yeah, what most people do when they're taking this off is they peel all of this off and they stick it down. Not a good idea. Best thing to do is just peel a little corner on both ends and then place it down, and then peel it off while it's on the car. That way you can still maneuver it. Do you understand?
Wait, come on, hug it. Do you understand?
Having fun being dumb like it's supposed to be. In a teenage dream.
But yeah, that is it. If we take some angles here, you can see that is how it is looking. So everything's in line. Managed to get that in line with the boot. It does go over the boot, so I don't think that the brake bit is exposed. It's covered up. And from the side, it's definitely looking good. But yeah, we'll take it outside and take some slow-mo pics of it, so you guys can see how it really looks.
Always with you, yeah. You light up my days, make tears go away.
So yes guys, that is the video. Make sure you like and subscribe if you've enjoyed the video. There's going to be loads more content to come on this car, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless.
You and me.